today we're gonna make a paper plate pal, and this one is going to be particularly slow. Hey everybody, thanks for waiting. We're going to make a really cute snail with a colorful shell. Let's get started. Here's what you need: squeezy glue, a pair of scissors, one pipe cleaner, 2 big googly eyes, and 2 paper plates. We're also going to use some markers. Start with one paper plate. We're going to fold it in half so it looks like a taco. Give the bottom a nice crisp crease. This is going to be the body of the snail. Now we're going to mark where the eyes are going to go. We're going to create 2 small holes right about here. There's 1, 2. You should see 2 holes on the fold and on the bumpy part of the edge of the paper plate. Get your pipe cleaner. We're going to cut it in half. I like to fold it and cut it on the fold. You could save this other piece for another project another day. Now fold this one in half and put one end through one hole and the other end through the other hole. Push it down so that it goes all the way through. Now we're going to glue the eyeballs to the ends of the pipe cleaners. One goes on one pipe cleaner and the other goes on the other. Get your squeezy glue and make a nice puddle on the backs of the googly eyes. Don't be stingy. Place the ends of the pipe cleaners in the puddles of glue and set it aside to dry. If you have a hot glue gun, you could use that with a grown-up's help. Now with the other paper plate, this will become the shell. I found 3 markers that represent light, medium, and dark. I'm going to start with the darkest, and I'm going to create this spiral starting in the center of the plate and going all the way around to the crease. I feel like I want this line to be a lot darker, so I'm going to make it a lot thicker. If you're using thick markers, you might not have to do this part. Next, I'm going to use the medium blue, and I'm going to color it right next to the dark blue, all the way around. Finally, I'll use the lightest blue. That's going to be right next to the medium blue. I decided to leave some white in between too. Now that the eyeballs are dry, our snail needs a mouth. Now we'll attach the shell to the body. This is where the stapler comes in handy. Make sure the eyeballs are showing. Hold it at a place where it looks natural. Get your stapler. Probably only takes 2 or 3 staples to secure. Good job, makers! Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to make a new DIY project every week. See you next time!